Okay guys, so I'm in the hall. We're going to start here and we're going to go into the other rooms, and you're going to follow me on my journey on getting my new apartment looking really cool, bit classy, looking expensive when maybe it's not, getting things, upcycling, and buying maybe used things, also getting new things as well, going out and spotting those little things that have got a bit of flair, a bit of design. So in here we've got the bathroom here, here's just a little storage room, here we've got the living room, and this side you've got the bedroom. So we've got the door, bathroom, bedroom, living room. So behind me I've got a mirror. I do like the mirrors. These are going to be displayed or put in more suitable areas. But in the hallway it's pretty good because it makes the hall look a bit bigger. I've got a mirror down there, so I've got to deploy that somewhere. And as you can see, look at that big feature mirror in the bedroom. So let's go into the bedroom. Now at the moment, where I lived before, my office sort of desk computer space was in the front room. Now the front room here, it's a little bit not quite as easy, which we'll see in a minute. So this is my old desk that I moved and how it looks. I put it into AI and it turned out this. So I then found something on Google, which was this. This is what I'm going to be aiming for. So at the moment, I've got this is my officey space. We have started already, so you could have seen I've changed the desk. This desk has got drawers, which is great because it's helped me get rid of the clutter. I will put some pictures up here. This is how it used to look. Glass desk, acoustic soundproofing foam, and it's got like a texture. So I put one up, but I don't want to put the rest up until I get that wall painted. So using the web, I found some pictures with rooms with white and a bit of red on the walls and dark, and there's also a bit of grey in this. This one here has a mirror above the bed, which is exactly like mine already. So these are some good examples to influence. But the walls, they're going to change colours. So you've got the red one. These are potentially going to be white. Now here, I'm getting a new blind to go inside. That's on order, so that will be here very soon. And in anticipation for that, I've just painted this today. This is the same sort of colour that I've used on some of the bits in my front room, which you'll see. And when that blind goes in, it's going to be, I think it's white, but it'll make the blind stand out. And it's nice because it just kind of cuts off that little area and defines it. So I quite like that. That's where it is at the moment. The only thing is, the first place I put my computer desk when I moved in was in front of the door next to the window. And one of the reasons is because of all these power sockets and also, say, the light. I need to point all my spots that way so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So it's looking better already, looking brighter. I'm going to go around maybe with red, the colour, or with white, I'm not sure, but that is a lot brighter now. So I'm putting up the soundproofing acoustic foam. This isn't necessarily to protect the neighbours. It would have been when I had the desk on the other side, but it's also to help when I'm talking on the microphone. It's not going to bounce off the walls and have an echo. And to do that, I've got these acoustic foams. Now I've got this adhesive spray, which is normally used for like carpets and underlay. I'm going to spray the corners. Now I don't really want this on the walls. I'd rather use sticky pads like this. The only thing is these sticky pads will not stick on here, they come off. So I need to use here's the stuff that potentially most people might use, because I don't want a big patch like that on the wall. That's the thing. I just want a little pad. So I just stick a little bit of this, doesn't need a lot. Just enough that I can stick over that. So I need to cut these in half. So cut that in half. And then just rest over the top and push down. And then again, this corner here, and then I'll do 2 more on the other end. As you can see, the sticky pads are stuck on there. You gotta be careful with that contact spray. It's almost like super glue. It's so tacky, so sticky. Right, so that's all 4 off, and that's another one to go up. One thing I've always loved is when you have like the cupboards at the top. They're at the top, they're out of the way. That's because otherwise there's space to do nothing. Just bought some bulbs, white bulbs. So where I've got the warm colour, I want the white one shining at my desk. Now I've got myself a couple of pots. These are kind of grey silver. I've got a big one and then 2 smaller ones. I actually got 2 small ones. A little tray to put plants on, you know, or a pot, because it avoids getting any surfaces wet. I mean, this might actually go by my TV instead. It's quite nice. It's mirror. It's got this diamond pattern inside. It's a masking tape for when I do some painting. Some coasters. There's 4, I think, in there. I'll get them out another day. So I've managed to get these little handles, and I'm going to try and replace mine, see what they look like. Some white hooks to hang up some things. That's pretty basic, and then another set of handles because I need 9. And then I've got this. This is quite nice. So let me show you the front room, because the front room has had the most work focused on it. And so let's walk in the door. Hello. As you can see, I've got my aquarium in the front room. Lovely to watch when you're chilling out. You know, the TV's on and you can see the fish at the same time. That's quite nice. I've got a big TV here. I've got a lamp. This light does go with the curtains, which are blue. You can't really see because I don't know if my spotlight will come down and help. Yeah, I need to probably get some more lighting in here. But that is like a blue, which goes with the blue, and the wallpaper I love. Lovely light wallpaper. Now, this here, the black, nice TV desk, TV bench with soft slide doors and that is what I had from my old place, and I brought them here. But now I've got a white one, which I've also got my lighting around that. Brighten things up straight away. Now, utilising space, I've got a picture above the door. I do like this, and I want to basically keep that as a theme in each room. Settee was ordered. That took a few months to get made, so this has been made. It's a recliner, and it's blue. So it's the colour that I chose, and it goes with the walls. Now the blue walls are very similar to what I had before. In my old place I had black and silver, so now I've got blue and silver. So it's kind of, I don't really want any blacks. That's why I've got the blue curtains. But even then, I feel in the daytime you can't see they're blue, so I either need to get a lighter blue, or I'm going to change to maybe silver to match the silver. So that silver and blue are the themes in here, really. Like the carpet, silver, and you've got blue with the blue rug. The rugs are really quite nice. So I've put some plants in those pots. One there next to the aquarium, and one here next to the TV. The fish tank used to be, when I first came here, I used to have it next to the boiler. I've sold the black old TV unit, and in this corner I've managed to get myself some shelves. I actually want to use for the bedroom on the desk to go behind on the wall, but they did tell me it was smaller than what it was, so in the end it wouldn't fit, so I put it here, which is not bad. I've just bought myself some nice blue storage, like, you know, put bits in. They look quite nice. I've got some resistance things like this, and these are sort of will match and a bit newer, so that'll be nice. They were from Primark, only £9. I also got a little white one to replace sort of something I've got already that was only £1. So the walls painted white now from that side where I've got my drawers. Ignore the mess. I've put some masking tape up here and checked it was level. And then if it's not, you can peel it off and try again. You need to do it in kind of one sort of line. So that's on ready. So now I'm going to paint inside here this colour red. And there's my lovely little new desk area there. So I've managed to paint the wall. The masking tape has definitely helped keep the nice lines. I had masking tape at the top and I had masking tape on the skirting board down below. Yeah, I had a little bit of a problem with the paint. Got a little bit of paint on there and I washed it off. It's also washed off the white, so I've got to repaint the white there. Similar bit on the ceiling. And then what I'm going to do is just then whack my mirror up. So this is it. 95% or 98% finished. I want to get, I can change my duvet. I've got a nice like silvery grey one that might go better. Maybe get another light, so there's a light either side. And then me little office down there.